यदीश बाब हो मुद्दो आसा हो दुर्गादासान येदो मुद्दो काडिल्लो की जुवारी ब्रिज जाय हें म्हाका दिसता कोणूच ताजेर दुबाव घेवपाक शकना. इट इज अ टॉप मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी. मोपाच्या बाबतींत इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वायज टुरिजम स्टेट म्हणून आमकां आनीक एअरपोर्ट जाय कोणूच हें करना. बट देर आर अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स वीच दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज पुशिंग which are not necessarily be the priority projects. There can be some other projects which are priorities. Money can be spent there. But सरकाराक जाय म्हणून कांय प्रोजेक्टांचे भर दिलो वता आनी जाका लागून इव्हेंच्युअली ऑन ग्राउंड लोक ह्या गजालीक विरोध करतात.
खंयचे प्रोजेक्ट असे आसा सरकार जे लोकांच्या हितान प्रोजेक्ट आसा आनी गोंयच्या हितान प्रोजेक्ट आसा तसलेच प्रोजेक्ट हाडल्या. म्हाका कळना खंयचोच असो प्रोजेक्ट ना जो गोंयच्या हितान आनी लोकांच्या हितान ना असो. आतां इवन IIT जो प्रोजेक्ट आसा it is see Goa as a brand is famous all over the world. We have to make that brand grow further. How do you make the brand grow further? Education wise we are making into a hub now. When it comes to tourism, we to upgrade the touristic facilities and upgrade that whole infrastructure of tourism, we have to take certain steps which government is taking. When it comes to healthcare, health tourism also is a concept. You see the innovative ideas that the government has taken, central government's aid and assistance along with the state government. म्हणून that double engine म्हणटा पळय is because of that. That the central government and the state government are working in tandem towards a better Goa, and it is helping towards a better country, better infrastructure. So when you talk of double engine, it means exactly that you ensure with the aid of the central government, because central government is working in the same direction with equal force.
Yeah. See what happens now when we are talking of quality education. See that our existing institutions perform to quality. Goa University has now been reduced to a B grade university. So we set up the university ourselves. That should have been a top university, top level institution. How is that it has been reduced? See, if we can't take care of our existing university, why go for IITs and all? First take care. See that Goa University becomes a top level institute.
असा ते धडधोवर म्हणटा तुम्ही.
Exactly.